Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Roadster versus the BMW M5. Let's start by looking at their incredible performance. The Tesla Roadster boasts an astonishing acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. It also claims a top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour. In contrast, the BMW M5 is still incredibly fast, hitting 60 miles per hour in about 3.0 seconds, with its top speed electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. Next, let's consider what powers these machines. The Tesla Roadster is an all-electric supercar, relying solely on its advanced battery for propulsion. It offers an exceptional estimated driving range of 620 miles on a single charge. The BMW M5, however, utilizes a potent hybrid powertrain, combining a twin-turbo V8 engine with an electric motor. This setup provides an EPA-rated 14 miles per gallon combined, along with a short electric-only range. Now, let's talk about the cost and when you can get your hands on one. The Tesla Roadster has an estimated starting price of $200,000, but it's a future production vehicle requiring a reservation. On the other hand, the BMW M5 is currently available, with a base price typically starting around $123,275. This makes the M5 a more immediate option for those seeking high performance. Finally, let's look at practicality and the overall driving experience. The BMW M5 is a four-door sedan, comfortably seating 5 passengers, offering a balance of luxury, performance, and everyday usability. The Tesla Roadster, while offering seating for 4, is a 2-door sports car primarily designed for extreme performance and a futuristic driving thrill. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize raw speed and innovation, or a blend of power and daily comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.